Welcome to today's episode of Depreciation Nation, where we are going to tackle the foggy and oxidized headlights on Josh's Project A4. The product we're going to use for that is the kit that Mothers sells, not because they sponsored this video, but because we bought it with our very own money. I've done about 8 cars with this product, and I find it to be very decent and very easy to work with as long as you take your time and you pay attention as you move on. So without further ado, we're going to get right into it, and I hope you enjoy the results.